As we continue with our program, get ready to be entertained and enlightened by a thought-provoking skit that unfolds the pages of our nation's history and celebrates the essence of being an Indian.
Before the curtains rise on this exciting performance, let us transport ourselves into the world of our performers who will bring to life a story.
Now skit by senior boys and girls.
We are proud to be an Indian. It's a time for immense pride for every Indian. We are celebrating the 75th Republic Day today. Hey, is it not exciting for you?
I agree, but...
What but?
Yes, I'm also happy to celebrate the 75th Republic Day. But when I see the present scenario of our country, I'm sad. Few questions will always plague my mind. Do we truly live in a republic country? Have we embraced the spirit of independence?
I understand your perspective, but for me, this day brings great joy and pride.
Okay, wait. Let me share some incidents, then you can tell.
All right, tell me.
Scene 1. Caste discrimination in school.
हाय पंकज।
हाय गोलू,
कैसे हो?
हम ठीक हैं, आओ बैठो।
हाय गोलू। हे बीम।
Golu, why are you talking to him? Oi Beam, why are you sitting here? Go and sit in your place. This is our place.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today we have inspection, so be quiet.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, students. Today I am going to ask you all few questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Who is Vasco da Gama?
I don't know.
You?
You also.
I don't know, sir.
This lesson has not been taught, sir.
Yes, sir. We have not learned this topic yet.
Who is teaching this subject?
Mr. Krishna only, sir.
Why Mr. Krishna ji?
Sir, they are telling lies. The teacher has taught this lesson, but most of us forgot it.
Who is this boy?
He's Beam, sir.
Yes, sir. What Beam said is right, sir.
Bim, do you know the answer?
Yes, sir. I know the answer.
Then can you tell me the answer?
Vasco da Gama is the first European to reach India by sea.
Very good, Bhim. Bhim, come here. Very good. I'm proud of you. Be honest and stand for the truth always. Okay, Mr. Krishna ji. Thank you.
Because of him, we all are going to get beatings. So, something we have to do for him.
Let's steal all his books. Then we will see how he will study.
Good idea. Come, let's do it.
We should not do this to Beam.
Hey Golu, you be quiet.
Don't do that. Please. Stop. Why did you people do this to us?
How dare you say that we are telling lies? Hereafter, we will see how you are going to study.
That's why my father was telling us we should not allow these people to study in our school.
It's our school. Behave properly.
Oh my God. My father is sick. And how will I buy the books?
Scene 2. Gender discrimination in workplace.
It's getting late. Do it fast. Rani, why are you standing without doing any work?
I have finished my job, sir.
So what? See, Raja's work is not completed. So go and help him.
Sir, please.
I said go and help Raja.
Sir, please.
I said go and help Raja.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, come and collect your daily wages. Meena, 500. Raja, 700. Shivam, 700. Lakshmi, 500. Rani, 500. Ayush, 700. Ayushi, 500.
Sir, why are you always giving us lower salary comparing men?
None of you men are good at your work. Only men can do more work. You are only fit for household work. Men deserve higher pay, not women.
Sir, we are punctual to our work as well as we are completing our task equal to men. Moreover, today Rani helped in Raja's work. Then also Raja was paid the full amount. But you are always giving less to us. We are doing the same job and experience the same hardship, but men are paid more and respected more than women. Why, sir?
Scene 3. Street pollution.
Hello? Hello?
हेलो हेलो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है?
हेलो हेलो
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए।
तो बोलिए 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 सर।
क्यों ऐसा पान खाकर थूक दिए?
What should I cook today? I'm going to prepare coconut chutney without coconut. Let me see what is in the fridge. Oh, tomatoes are rotten and half of the vegetables are smelling bad. Okay, let me throw them outside.
Hey, something has fallen on me. Who threw this garbage? What is this? Oh, what a bad smell. What kind of people are they? Now how will I go to work?
Papa, I am hungry.
Wait, I have some cake. Do you like cake?
Yes, Daddy, I like it. Could you open the packet?
Yes, dear. I will open it.
Papa, the wrapper should be thrown into the dustbin, not on the ground.
Don't worry, beta. It is not our responsibility. Separate people are there to clean it.
No, Papa, that's not right. My teacher taught me to throw waste in the dustbin. It is our responsibility.
Then, for what these sweepers are paid?
Papa, I will put it in the dustbin.
No, beta. Your hands will get dirty. Let them do their job. Come on, let's go.
But Daddy...
Scene 4. Dowry torment.
ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਮਾਲੇ ਵੇਲੀਆਂ ਬਲੌਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਕਰੇ ਮਟਕ ਮਟਕ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਫਿਰਨੀ ਦੀ ਚਾਲੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਲੀ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਬੁਰੇ ਹਾਲ ਬਿੱਲ ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਮਾਲੇ ਵੇਲੀਆਂ ਬਲੌਰੀ ਕੀਤੇ ਬੁਰੇ ਹਾਲ ਬਿੱਲ ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ
Please come. Please come.
Please come.
Please
come. We saw all things. It was too good. Whatever things we asked, everything you bought. And I was happy that you didn't even change the brand.
Everything is fine. But where is the car? I searched everywhere, but I couldn't find it.
What? Is it? There is no car? How come?
We have spent all our money. Even though we tried a lot, we couldn't buy it. थोड़ा समय दीजिए, हम लोग खरीद कर एक नया गाड़ी देंगे. Please. थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए.
What? We can't accept this. You told us that you would give us the car before the wedding. So only we accepted for the marriage.
We are not asking this car for us. It's for your daughter only. अगर कार नहीं तो शादी नहीं. If no car, no marriage.
Yes, this marriage will not happen today. Our son is not going to marry your daughter.
Hey beta, चलो उठो. You are not going to marry this girl. They don't even have money to buy a car.
Yes, come, let's go.
No, please. Bhaiya, give us some time. It is shameful. All are watching us. Bhaiya ji, please. Our relatives will not respect us. Please don't stop the marriage. Samdhi ji, please. If you stop the wedding, who will marry our daughter? We will give you car. Samdhin ji, we are asking only time. हम लोग आपको कार देंगे. समदिन जी, हम लोग केवल समय मांग रहे हैं.
Scene 5. Street harassment.
Hi everyone, who is that?
He looks like our Akash. No, he looks like a stranger. He doesn't look like a caste.
Okay, let him come here. We will see him. Who is he?
Hi friends, I am Akash.
Hi, you look like a hero.
Now we have a hero. Where is the heroine? See there, my girlfriends are coming. If you are a hero, can you prove it today? Wait and see. Hi, what is your name? Where are you going?
Who are you? Why are you disturbing me? Go away.
She is asking us who we are. Come, let us teach them a lesson.
No, please leave me. Please. Don't do this. Leave me.
Leave my friend.
Leave my friend.
Pull her, take her bag and throw it away.
With these sins in mind, can we truly celebrate our 75th Republic Day? Now, can you talk proudly about our country's progress? We are an independent nation. We are celebrating our Diamond Jubilee. We boast a 75-year-old constitution, global recognition, moon landings, and solar research. It scars like a gender bias, caste prejudice, florid demands, and harassment. I feel ashamed of our nation.
I agree with what you said. How will these things change? Who can change this?
Yes, change is possible and it can be done. The students, those who are sitting here, their parents and all the citizens of our nation should fulfill our duties properly. We should embrace this nation as our own. So, we are responsible for the things happening around us. When every individual transforms, slowly our country will be transformed. Then we can celebrate a Republic Day with true meaning. I hope you will do your duties and make others do their duty. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Let us appreciate not just the actor's talent, but also the collective effort that went into bringing the story to life. May it leave us a sense of pride A big thank you to our talented performer for this